If you're wondering whether Oberlo or Doba offers better product tracking features for your dropshipping business, you're in the right place. Both platforms have their strengths, but they each approach product tracking in different ways, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one truly stands out. First off, let's talk about Oberlo. Oberlo, owned by Shopify, is one of the most popular dropshipping tools. It's known for its simplicity and ease of integration with Shopify stores. Product tracking is fairly seamless, and one of the highlights is how it syncs directly with suppliers, especially on AliExpress. When an order is placed, Oberlo automatically updates the tracking information, keeping you and your customers in the loop. However, here's the catch: while it's automatic, the accuracy of tracking info can sometimes be a bit unreliable, especially with suppliers who don't always update their tracking information promptly. Next thing, Doba. Doba also provides product tracking, but their approach is a bit more comprehensive. Doba aggregates products from a variety of suppliers and manages inventory. Their product tracking system allows you to track shipments and gives you an overview of both the product availability and delivery status across multiple suppliers. This can be a big plus if you want to manage orders from several vendors in one place. But just like Oberlo, Doba's tracking system isn't always perfect. It can be slow to update tracking numbers, and customers may sometimes find themselves waiting longer than expected for their order status to be updated. The fourth thing to consider is customer support and real-time tracking. With Oberlo, the customer support team is fairly responsive, but the real-time tracking features can leave something to be desired. The notifications are not always as prompt as they should be, leading to delays in customer satisfaction. On the other hand, Doba's customer support is strong and offers some more proactive tracking features, sending notifications throughout the entire process. Still, it's not perfect. Both platforms have faced issues where tracking updates are delayed, and this could be a major frustration if you're running a business where speed is critical. The fifth thing to discuss is the user interface. Oberlo's interface is very clean, easy to navigate, and integrates seamlessly with Shopify. The product tracking features are accessible from the dashboard, but again, the updates can sometimes be delayed, making it difficult to trust at times. Doba's interface is a bit more cluttered, but it's also much more informative. It gives you detailed information on product stock, order statuses, and expected delivery times, but the UI can feel a little overwhelming if you're not used to it. Lastly, both Oberlo and Doba offer some valuable features, but they aren't perfect when it comes to product tracking. If your primary concern is having a smooth, reliable tracking system, these platforms might leave you wanting more. After trying both platforms myself, I can confidently say that if you're serious about dropshipping and product tracking, there's a better alternative that outshines both Oberlo and Doba. If you're interested in a solution that offers better product tracking, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, once you try it, you'll see why it's the best choice for dropshipping product tracking.